Welcome everyone to another edition of the Highball Advisors Railroad Retirement Mailbag. My name is John McNamara of Highball Advisors, and today we're actually in Thandera, New York, up in the Adirondacks. And today's question comes in from Jose D. He says, I have more than 11 years to go before I retire with 30 years of service. Is there anything I could do to reduce those years, right? So I get this a lot of times. Hey, can I speed this up? I got to get to these 30 years. Can I buy those extra years? So that's what Jose is kind of thinking here. However, you need you have to get the credible rail service, right? There's no way to buy it. But remember, you just need 1 day a month to get a credible month, a service month. So that's important. And remember, the tier 2 is only your top 5 earning years. So maybe you've had 5 very good years. Maybe you can do a part-time in the railroad, the final 5 or 3 years, something along those lines to kind of maybe reduce the full-time pressure. I don't know if that's an option for everybody, but something to think about. Just remember, it's the top 5 earning years. Jose, check out my video, 3 Simple Steps to a Great Railroad Retirement. That will give you some ideas on what to do there. So I hope you found this helpful. Everyone, please send in your questions, and maybe I'll shoot a video on somewhere on location. And until next time, everyone, please stay safe, stay on track, and take care. So long, everybody. Bye.